Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies, and here's a surprise. I'm going to unbox something that's not an airplane. Can you find it? That's right, it's the Revell 176 scale Churchill AVRE. So let's take this to the back and unbox this little gem. Right, so the Churchill, one of Britain's premier tanks in the Second World War, which provided a myriad of roles, including this particular one, bridge laying. You could probably figure it out for yourself what it does, but if I have to explain it, basically, a bridge laying tank has these big long trusses suspended over it, and then with a sophisticated mechanism right there, it can be maneuvered down in front and underneath the tank so it can cross obstacles like dried out rivers or destroyed bridges. Anyway, that's the history lesson of that. Now for the kit itself, this is a rebox of a Matchbox kit from the early 80s. So to be honest, I'm not expecting too much, but let's give it a fair chance. Pretty nice looking instruction booklet, like most new Revell kits. Parts don't look too bad from this vantage point. So it looks like you've got 3 sprues here. It looks like it even comes with somewhat of a diorama base to it. That's interesting. Here looks mostly like the tires, treads, and the bridge laying mechanism parts. This one looks a lot like the main body. And there's what I was expecting, flash. But not too bad. Yeah, this looks like the bridge laying mechanism. Plus this comes with rubber treads, so it's very easy to just bend and ply to get it to conform to the tank's body. Now the instructions. It's printed in Revell's standard style for their modern kits. There's the paint call-out map. They of course refer to their own line of acrylic paint. There's just a little parts map. Yeah, I'd say this kit's got like less than 60 parts to it. So this really shouldn't take long to build at all. And as with most tanks, there's literally no interior to build. But you'd never see it anyway, so I understand that. Okay, and after all that, here is the markings options. I believe there's 3 options here, all pretty much in olive drab. And very basic stenciling. That's that. You get this pointless little sheet that I never pay any attention to, and a very tiny decal sheet. It is worth noting that this is a 76th scale kit, so I know it's really weird. It's not quite 172, not quite 1144, but I guess it's got a place in the modeling industry. So yeah, that's about it for the interior here. In conclusion, it's okay. The kit does show its age a little. It can prove to be a tiny bit challenging, but there are some modelers who prefer that. The age of the kit kind of brings a bit of nostalgia to them. But despite that, it is very tiny, not too many parts, so I would recommend this to someone inexperienced who is looking to jump into the world of armor modeling. You can pick yours up today at Sunward Hobbies, in store or online. That'll be it for me, so until the next one, adios.